see it trailing all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, a hawk in the tree. You look so beautiful today, and now the game is changing. Just like a stranger suddenly knows everything.
All right, so today is Monday at 2:45, and
Monday,
I don't want
October
your help.
25th.
October 25th. This car has to be on a trailer tomorrow,
October 26th.
October 26th at noon Central Standard Time, and we have a couple gaps.
It's really just one.
Yeah, so we have one gap. So we have tires that were supposed to be here today, this morning, because we ordered them last week, and they're not here. They're supposed to be in tomorrow. We get put on a trailer tomorrow, so we have less than 24 hours to figure out what we're gonna do about that. So, good news, we have the rears,
We do have the rears.
and we do have fronts that we can put back on to move it, right?
Yes.
So then we can get it still washed and all that.
We can get it ready.
You can get it ready, right? The carpet is done. Carpet looks great. Center console looks fantastic. The steering wheel looks fantastic. The new airbag with Alcantara looks fantastic. We fixed the carpet, so now it's actually carpet. We actually we flew in exclusively, all-encompassing, all expenses paid trip. That's Paradis Stitch Co. right there in the flesh that came to work on this all by himself. He's never done this before. So anyway, so we're gonna get it all finished up. We do have the frunk all done, which is actually pretty cool. So we have the tank mounted. I think it looks fantastic. The management system looks fantastic. And then we're gonna hide it. We're gonna put like a hook up here, down here, just to show a little bit so like people can sneak and look in. We've got the new vinyl actually getting cut. We're gonna do a livery style kind of wrap on the car. So we're not actually gonna do a full wrap, mostly because time, but also because I like the paint. So we're gonna get DH Vinyl Works to cut us some vinyl. We're gonna put that all up on the side probably tomorrow morning. So really all we have left are wheels, right?
Yep.
Wheels, seats, wash, vinyl.
And to make sure that works.
And we also have to make sure the car actually turns on, runs, and drives. That part should be easy.
Runs and drives, I'm not concerned with.
Staying cool though. We also gotta make
I'm
sure.
also not concerned with that.
Did we fix it?
After this morning's findings, I'm not too concerned.
It did overheat in Gatlinburg. Turns out the driver's side fan just didn't turn on. But you fixed it.
Yeah, I removed the heat shrink that literally broke apart when I cut it, and the wire was just like,
Yeah.
that.
Anyway, we got it fixed. So we're gonna get to work and we're gonna mount these rear tires and we're gonna see if they fit. We don't even know if they fit. They should fit.
Hopefully. If they don't fit, we can't order tires again.
We're gonna need
It's
new
like the
wheels
third set of tires.
and tires. It's a good place you know where to get your wheels, tires, suspension from though. Oh, sorry. Fitmentindustries.com. All right, let's actually do this. Why is this even here?
That is how we got that caliper off.
I'll take things I didn't want to know for 200. All right, let's go.
Just a little heat. Max.
Good morning.
Carbon fiber components from Exotic Car Gear. That means our center console is here before the car leaves, which is more than we can say for the tires. So let's open it up and see what we got. Well, what we got wasn't really conducive to it, so look at that. Well, looks good. Looks like it's gonna work. So we're gonna get this put back in the car.
going on, guys? My name's Dustin. I'm with Custom Offsets. Been on the channel a couple times here before. Good buddy with a lot of the FI guys. So we are mid SEMA crunch, trying to get everything ready to go. And one of the last steps, Alex is actually unwrapping his wheels right now. So one of the last steps is we're gonna put some decals on this thing for all the sponsors and stuff. So I got those cut last night. I cut them at about midnight last night. So car goes on the trailer in like, there's no watch, as you can see here. Like 25 minutes. It goes in the trailer. So that's fun, but we're gonna get the car wiped down quick. We're gonna put some decals on it. So I'm gonna start by wiping it down with some isopropyl alcohol, take any dust off of it, take any fingerprint oils and residues, stuff like that off. So that way the surface is nice and clean, and then we'll get some decals mocked up and then we'll get them put on.